Hello and welcome back to AOS-CX 10.13 update on CX feature packs. Here we are back again with chapter 6, under which we are going to look at the cases of feature pack expiry, how you can renew your expired feature pack revoke, and the removal of feature pack subscription from the switch.
Feature pack expiry, which refers to the end of subscription term. So post expiration date, features under subscription will move to honor mode and advanced features will stay operational with regular warnings to install a valid feature pack. If you see right here, I have a CLI output showing a valid feature pack installed. Subscription for this switch will expire on September 29, 2024, due to which current status is active and all the features are allowed. If you specifically check an advanced feature, say for application recognition, it says configuration status as enabled and the operational status as enabled. Here, if you look at the date, it's 1st October 2024, which means our subscription would have expired, and so is the case. Feature pack state will be updated as the feature pack has been expired and the subscription moves to honor mode. Features are still allowed, and so if I again check application recognition, it says configuration status as enabled and the operation status as enabled. But this time, even though features are enabled, warning logs will be generated to notify the user that feature pack has been expired and feature is now running in honor mode. So if you see right here, it mentions that app recognition is operating without a valid feature pack. This is an impact to what has been done here. That is, CX Advanced Feature Pack has been expired on this date. As previously discussed, user can get an early notification of feature pack expiration via mail. For that in LMS, they have to click on this Manage Subscription button. Once clicked, a pop-up will appear where with a toggle button to enable or disable the feature, along with the option to select when this email needs to be sent before it touches the expiration. You can choose 1, 2, or all of these options. An email will be sent to the mail address associated with the ASP account prior to these many days. This is how an email will look like. It will include general body and the details for each subscription that is going to expire soon. Exact date of expiration will also be mentioned along with the subscription key, start date, and account name. So users can choose to automatically renew their feature packs in case of expiration. For that, user should order a subscription with quantity equal to or greater than the existing quantity in the block for the same platform which is going to be expired. It is like keeping an extra stock of feature packs. There is no need to activate ordered feature packs for this said renewal. When the expiry date is in 7 days or lesser, the existing block will be auto-renewed with a new end date. If there is no available subscription in the pool, auto-renewal will fail without any warning, and there is no undo option available for auto-renew. In order to opt for auto-renewal, click on the Actions button, Actions tab of the activated subscription block, and click on Auto-renew feature. In pop-up, click Yes, and your feature will be enabled with auto-renewal. Let us now discuss about revoking a feature pack. So installed feature pack can be revoked by the user at any point after installation. Once revoked, feature pack is no more connected to the switch and returns into the pool listed as available subscription. In case of cloud mode, switch reaches out to CX feature pack cloud server due to one of the possible triggers and detects that subscription has been revoked. Following which, the advanced features move to honor mode on the switch, and switch shows the feature pack state as revoked from the server. In case of local mode, the switch has no information that the subscription has been revoked, and due to which admin should remove subscription from on the switch with erase feature pack CLI command. So why users may want to revoke a feature pack? Well, let's find out. In case where a feature pack has been installed on a switch for which it was not intended to, and hence user may want to change it. Other one is that feature pack is not required on a switch anymore, but can be better used on another switch in the network. Further, in LMS, user wants to move a feature pack across the pool for management purposes, or edit a subscription pool or block details in LMS. In all these scenarios, Revoke plays a critical role. It should be highlighted that in case user wants to reinstall a feature pack on the switch, after revoke, he or she has to remove the existing feature pack file from the switch using erase feature pack CLI command. It is important to note that for local mode, user can only revoke a feature pack limited number of times, which is set as 50 as of now. No revoke will be allowed after this limit has been crossed, and this limit is specific to the account and not the feature pack. Here is the CLI output showing a valid subscription installed on the switch. All the advanced features, as you see, are allowed and the subscription is in active mode. Now you go back to LMS and under Licenses tab on the top bar, you click the subscription monitoring button. You will be redirected to another page showing the list of all activated feature packs. This includes the device details on which each subscription has been installed. Under Actions button, click on Revoke to revoke a feature pack from the switch. Once this is done, feature pack will be removed from this list and added back to the subscription pool with an addition to the available count. You can go back to the View Order page to verify this information. After revoke from LMS, switch will reach out to feature pack server due to one of the possible trigger. And as an impact, feature pack status will be changed in CLI output as revoked from the server. Subscription will now move to honor mode, but the features will still be allowed. You can also view history of revoke for any specific feature pack using show history option available under Actions tab of subscription monitoring page. So if you see right here, it will show you the count and number of times you have revoked a feature pack with the exact date of when you did so. It should be noted that the revoke option in LMS is not same as pausing a subscription. There is no pause option available to hold the subscription term, which means once activated, feature pack will expire on the set expiration date and revoke option will not alter this value. One of the key highlights of LMS platform is a smooth transition between blocks of feature packs installed on the switch. This helps in various scenarios. One can be moving from eval feature pack to subscription without putting your switch into honor mode. So in cloud mode, if user wants to install another feature pack on the switch and re-avail the existing one, considering that feature pack is not expired, then this transition requires no extra effort of removal or revoke. On the switch, users simply has to update the new block or pool details in the feature pack server context, and subscription will be updated automatically by LMS. Pool details needs to be updated only when the new block lies in different pool. As soon as new block details are updated in CLI, a validation will be triggered automatically. And on successful validation, new subscription file will be installed on the switch with details of new block, including block name, start date, end date, and UID. The previous subscription file will be released and added back as available in the respective block and pool. Here is an example of how this smooth transition takes place. Initially on my switch, I have installed a feature pack from first block, which is mentioned right here. This is reflective both on the switch and in the LMS. Then in feature pack server context, I updated the value of block as second. No change in pool as both my block lies in the same subscription pool. As soon as I do that, switch acknowledges this change and install a subscription file from second block. If you note, previous subscription will be released and added back to the respective block. So right here, you see the second subscription block is mentioned as second, and in the LMS as well, this state is reflected. Talking about feature pack removal, in order to remove a feature pack, user can remove an installed subscription from switch using erase feature pack command. Once you do that, subscription will move from active mode to honor mode, and advanced features will stay operational with warnings to install a valid subscription. Here is a CLI output to show this state. Before feature pack was installed and the subscription is in valid state. So after removal, state changes as feature pack removed and the subscription moves to honor mode, and the features are still allowed. Following the warnings will be generated. It is very important to note that feature pack removal is a prerequisite in case user wants to make a transition from file-based mode to cloud-managed mode. Also, if user wants to reinstall a same or install a new feature pack on the switch after removal, they have to revoke it in LMS first. Once this is done, feature pack will not be associated with the device anymore and will be available again for installation. At this point, user may choose to reinstall a feature pack on the same device, add pool or block details of feature pack, or to install feature pack on another switch. It's worth mentioning that there will be no impact or removal on feature pack server profile configured on the switch. User has to update pool or block details on the switch if they have made any similar changes in LMS. If no such changes are made after revoke, subscription will be reinstalled on the switch on next successful validation.
So with this, we come to an end of this chapter. In next chapter, we are going to look at some configurations which we are going to use to configure our CX subscription on the switch.